concept?
Is this the police? Hi, police. I have 2 kids and I can't find them anywhere. Right? I think they're missing. I have no idea where they went. Oh man. I lost my kids. What am I gonna do? I know. Maybe if I have some candy, they'll appear. Okay, let me take out the candy. Kids, I have candy. I still don't see them. Well, if candy can't get them out, I don't know what will I'm going to have a kind of neutral murder. I'm just gonna pull over here at the police house. This is the cop's house. Pulling over at Mr. Cop's house. There they are. He's hiding down there. You're hiding over there. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding?
Why do you come back to our tears?
Zuru, where are you hiding, Zuru?
I want to go home.
You want to go home? You don't want to go to school?
No.
Alright, sit back. We're almost there. Hey guys, doing early morning drop off. So we're late as usual. Like, I think we'll start off on a good note or a good page for the new year because we've been late every morning. So that's something I want to work on. I want to see if I can get up a little bit earlier in the mornings. Well, I get up early, but the boys, it's kind of hard to get them out of bed. Especially Jamir. Jamir sleep when him a bed, sleep when him a eat, sleep when him a put on him clothes. Like, the whole process of getting ready, this young man is sleeping. But you know, I can understand. They've just come off the Christmas break, so it's kind of hard for them to get back into that little habit. But we're working on it, okay? So yeah, let's go. Guys, I am not okay. So when I got up this morning, I was greeted with a lovely surprise from Mother Nature, right? How lovely, right? Was not expecting her, like, at least not this morning, right? Like, weekend would have been fine, right? But she showed up this morning, and usually when it's that time of the month, I'm literally out of it. Like, I don't know why. Well, I mean, obviously I know why. Like, hormone imbalance, like our minds, our bodies are just all over the place. But that kind of explains why I've been feeling the way I've been feeling. So as I said, I was expecting it, just not today. So based on the fact that I am in pain, like my back is literally tearing out now, I decided to push and come to the gym regardless, and I just did some cardio. So I was like on the treadmill, on like the little bicycles, the little, what do you call it, or something, I don't even know them name, but mainly focusing on cardio this morning. I didn't really want to do any heavy lifting or any squatting, or you know, because it's hella uncomfortable trying to maneuver like the workout itself when your body is, you know, going through this state. So I didn't kill myself today. As it stands, I had to dip out like 10 minutes earlier for obvious reasons. I'm gonna just go home. Let's go home. I put a hot pack. I have a hot pack that I use for my head. I'm gonna use it for my tummy because the girl is in so much pain right now. Like, if you don't know, both of my boys were naturally delivered. Like I said, naturally conceived. Well, yeah, they were naturally conceived too, because you know, IVF and all of them something in this day and age. But naturally conceived, natural birth. I didn't get any pain meds, no epidural, no nothing, right? Did it on my own. So I think my pain tolerance has like increased in that sense, because child's birth to me, or labor and delivery, is like one of the most excruciating pain a woman can ever experience. It's one of the most I don't even know, like mind-boggling, life-changing procedures that you endure. And when I say it changes you mentally, physically, in every way, in every aspect, it really does. And your pain tolerance, according to certain studies, tend to, you know, increase. So certain things like cramps shouldn't be doing me like this. Like cramps should not be having this effect. And I'm not gonna lie, during my birth control phase, because I was on birth control at one point in time. So with Javi, that's my firstborn, right? So Javi now, after I had him, because like, say girl is very careful, let me just put that out there. I'm always taking the necessary precautions. So yeah, after we had him, I was like, alright, well, let's continue do what we do. If you know, you know. So yeah, we did that, and it did not work out in our favor, because after your first pregnancy, your fertility levels also increases. So you're extra fertile. Extra, if you're never fertile before, just know you're fertile now. Alright? And my second born was conceived when my firstborn was exactly 1 year old. Because when I went to do the whole like the blood work and thing, when I found out I was pregnant, based on the conception date, it was around the time when Javi was 1. So that would have been exactly a year after I'd given birth the first time. Besides, I mean, I risk it again. So I went on birth control, of course, and I opted for the shots, which you go in and you get every 3 months. So every 3 months, then push up a niggle in my butt. Not in my butt, but on my butt cheeks. Can't sit down for a couple of days and think, but yeah, I used to take it in my butt because they said me too skinny to take it in my arm. So did that, and I was on birth control for about, I'd say, 3 years, which is what they recommend. Well, I think me did go over the 3 years. I think I went like 4 years. I'm not supposed to be on birth control for an extended period of time, guys. You just like a decent kind of know I'll come up, because when me tell you the perks of birth control, like, I love a birth control. Like, I don't have to worry about certain things. I just cut and go through, I do what I do, and I was good. Mind you, it was not 100% effective, so we still had to be, you know, careful in certain areas, but we did our thing. But I'm not gonna lie, I have been, well, another side effect that I experienced was the constant headaches. And if you know me travel with headaches. So the fact that I was already headache prone, right? Then the added effects of the birth control, it kind of made my headaches like got really worse. What else used to happen to me? Like, other than the headaches, I was very irritable all the time. Like, my man hated that. I was just PMSing 24/7. Like, it literally throws off your hormones. And I decided to come off at about 4 years in, or 3. I don't know. I misquote, I don't know. When I decided to come off, it was because my headaches were like really getting out of control, so I had to come off. After I came off, I did experience, like, you know, less frequent headaches. I wasn't as irritable, you know. I was kind of coming back to my normal self. Every now and again, guys, when I tell no, like, I feel like I should go back on it. I don't know if you guys can share some of your experiences with birth control in the comments. I'd really appreciate it, because it's something that I'm reconsidering. Like, one, I really don't want to have any more kids. Hey, the taxi man has something else, you know. The man literally block up the road, right? 2 of them block up the road at them. No, what am I chat about? As me decide for go around the 2 crosses, them decide for move off. And I'm like, we don't really just walk or have a concrete accident on the road, because what is wrong with you guys? I really don't get it. Either way, guys, drop your birth control advice in the comments if you have any suggestions, recommendations, your experience on birth control, if you've ever been on it. If it's that you've never tried it before, let me know if you are open to, you know, said precautions, because not everybody believe in like birth control. But yeah, just let me know your thoughts below. And your girl is heading home to basically relax and call it a day. Okay, because I don't like this for me at all. So guys, catch you a little bit later. Guys, we're in the supermarket. So far we got some cereal. We have make a small stop for like some pastry. I imagine if I come to buy pastry, I buy so much other things. So yeah, that's the pre. We need oats. Jesse going for Charlie. We don't need no Charlie. You have something to say? You have anything to say?
No comments.
No, so we have to say.
No comments. Stick up the votes.
He's a vlog hater, guys. He's hating on the vlog. Okay. Why man? He's hating on the vlogs, guys. He's not a true supporter, okay? A real hater. So as I said, we look at a nice like a cake. What else we need? We need ice cream and some other things, but we're going to get that. We're not get to tea. Or we can get to tea. Them sell it by the box. We can see our the jar containers. But if them have the big containers or the big tub. So they have Oreo cones, Napoleon. It's not that big. Haagen-Dazs. Haagen-Dazs money. Strawberry would be nice, so you think?
Oh, they want so amazing.
No, they want no stock ice cream like that. Coconut, let's look at them. Grape nut are old people flavor still. Them say grape nut are for old people. Them have Devon Stout. I think she'd like this. It's are the coconut. Them should have cookie and cream. So my brother raisin, but in the smaller ones. Where?
I missed it.
No, I guess you coconut, I think. Or grape nut.
What should I do?
Yeah, and it's light. It's light. We need something bigger. They have more down here sets. The rumor is actually they don't at the bottom.
This one is nice.
So I get the rumor is. Guys, look how cute this little cake is. We have chocolate, cookie and cream.
Using the money, boss. Thank you.
Alrighty. Alright guys, so we're on the move. Nah, like the place chilly. We're up on a little mission. And just literally leave him car at the supermarket parking lot. Like that's just so random in my opinion. Like who does that? Like wouldn't I really leave the car at a random parking lot to go to a next town? Good night. Oh my god, that's my foot.
I said, remember the last we were leaving out? I'm a car myself. I'm already into you, but just a wake up.
Yeah, I remember. You wait till in bed, get ready.
Okay.
No, you are forced to say this.
I'm not forced to say anything, if we're being honest. Alright, 6:30. Let's see how long it takes us to get to our destination. Happy Friday! How are you boys this morning?
Yeah, I go, but I'm cold.
You're cold?
I wish I sit in here.
You need a sheet? Oh my goodness. Jammer is wearing his little glasses today. Jammer, is that a part of your school uniform?
Oh, I guess so.
You guess so? Put it on, let me see. Wow, how cool and dapper. That's his favorite pair of glasses, guys. Javi over here is tired. Why are you hiding? Why are you hiding, Boogsy? Are you boys excited for school? Alright, let's go. It's the last day of school.
So can I wear the glasses?
I don't think you can wear them in class, baby. It's not a part of your uniform.
Okay.
Alright, love you.
Love you.
Okay, love you too, Javi, lovey. Them tired, guys. Well, let's go. Come, Javi, let's go.
It's here.
Come, let's go.
Look, I can make a 9. Look.
That's so cool. Go back in the car, man. I would suggest you just climb the tree. This juicy one. So we got apples. One that big and juicy. Oh, that the 2i.
Yeah.
How juicy and these are. Hi guys. Hey, no, come out. Come out. Bear flies. So I'm actually heading on the road. Do a quick little road run. It's pretty late though. Should have been gone like from morning, but a certain someone was holding me up. And we're traveling together, so yeah, so it's Friday. Don't know if I mentioned that this morning, but your girl has to head on the road real quick. I have a package to pick up. Also have a little fabric shopping to do, and I'm gonna also grab lunch, and I have 2 hours to do all of this. So I'm heading into Kingston now. And yeah, so we'll see what we get up to today. Thank you, Lord, for bringing us this far. Pray continue to guide and cover us and keep us safe. In my prayer, amen. Right, someone gone left me no little warning. So yeah, usually when I go certain places, guys, because you know I'm just a girl and I don't know the directions well, and GPS is not my best friend. I just let him lead the way and he just drives there. I drive behind him, he leaves me and then go out in business, and I guess I can find my way back after that. So yeah, hopefully it's one of those mornings where he's in the mood to direct me to where I'm going, because I really don't know where. Like, I have an idea, but I feel like I might not. So yeah guys, I'll catch up to you now when I'm almost there. Tired is an understatement, right? And we came in late last night. I don't remember if you can recall, we went to Bog Walk. I always call up there to Lindsay, but we never really go in at Lindsay. We went to Bog Walk, to Jason's dad, and as you guys know, there is a nail salon like literally the same place. I got my toes done and I wanted to get my nails done, but it was too late. It was too late to get my nails done because, as you can see, 1, 2, 3 are off. This one broke, so maybe everything happened for a reason. I don't know if I could have managed like clear the pain to get this one on, because it literally broke from all the way in, guys. So excruciating pain, I tell you. But yeah, what is he doing? Just I go through the tool. Hi, morning. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, no problem. Okay. Alright, thank you. Alright. So just pay for me to like, you ever talk to me, I wonder why I'm come over here, so you know. But he actually paid for me. Oh, that's so sweet. Like, small gestures like those kind of make a girl's day, you know? Because I didn't have to pay for the toll, even though it's like $200 and something, but you know, it's the little things that count. So I know he would have gone up the toll already if I never for me, you know. I hope him know so him can go on and don't really make me slow him down. Watch this fast here. But no, you see me I try to come over, sir. Sir. The man annoying, you see? But yeah, as I was saying, a girl is drained. But luckily it's Friday. You know, usually Friday is like wind down day. Friday is kind of like that day where you just chill, you don't really do much. And as I said, I'll be on the road for the next 2 to 3 hours. I also have to go and pick up the kiddies. And when I get back in, I also want to Michelle said this, but we need to get those Christmas decorations done. I swear to you, we need to get them done. Today is also Auntie Mel's birthday, so we're gonna call her and we'll get back in. I wanted to wait until the boys were here so we could sing happy birthday. Like whenever it's anybody's birthday, we have a little choir, you know, a little quartet. But sometimes Jason's in it, sometimes he's not. But more than likely, it'll just be the 3 of us today. So we're gonna call and wish her a happy birthday and sing for her, of course. They love our singing. And if you don't know the note, Javi can carry a note. He got it from his mama. Jamir barely participates, but you know, it's the effort that counts. So yeah, we're gonna have to do that later. Last time we got to like ice cream and cake and thing. But guys, say when we pull up, the girl was not there. The girl was not there. After we will have birthday plans. So we are gonna sing her happy birthday. We all have candle and all them something there. She was not there. I guess she just go up on a little date or something, and because it was a surprise, we didn't want to call her and spook her, you know, and say, oh, we are come or whatever. So we just kind of popped up. What is he trying to say? Like, when people signal me, I don't know what you mean, sir. What do you mean? I think he's trying to call me. I don't know. I'm gonna phone up and stuff. The cutest, hopefully this is recording. Put it over here. I have money on my seat. Let me see. Guys, I literally just picked up the cutest gift packaging ever from CB Foods. How pretty! We can unbox it when we get in, of course, but I just love how cute it is. It's actually, I should have picked this up from Christmas, guys, but I'm just getting the chance. And I love it already. It's definitely giving vibes all the way around. So I can't wait to unbox this with you. So hopefully I can get let out now. Where's security? Because the way they might be on the road here, guys, they're moving very dangerous. So I'm gonna ask for some assistance to get out because it's on a little tricky corner. And I'm gonna head to the fabric store now. So yeah, that was quick and fast. Love it. Where is it? Guys, in the fabric store, of course, and I'm not seeing anything new. I don't understand, like every time I come here they don't have nothing new. We need new things, same old print, same colors, like nothing new. Come on. I feel like we need some spandex though, because you know Valentine's Day is coming up. Hopefully I'm gonna get copyright. Best friend, you'll be this American boy, American boy. Alright, so I'm gonna see red spandex. So I'm gonna stop this singing. See if I can get some spandex. Spandex price is Jesus Christ. I don't like that for me. Alright guys, so come back. How much that? 2.5? Alright, might as well take it. Just let me have some other nice colors, guys. Somewhat. Meh. We don't need new color spandex, man. Right. Bomba! Get it.
people last like the last part of December.
Oh, them give them stuff like
Yeah, the
weeks.
and at the same time they did it.
quality. Guys, I'm looking at these. They kind of have like a hint of like gold and silver. Quality is really nice. And I see them have some like new suede. Like if you're a designer, then you need to come in and feel all of these. They feel so soft, so luxurious. Like this is just fabric heaven. If you know, you know. Guys, I am back, and before me put on the seatbelt, the fabric is secured, and I also got some soup from Bulby Soups. I've never tried Bulby Soups before. He's actually located in Central Plaza, like right where my fabric stores are, and I just never, like every time I try to catch him, he's just never there. And you know, people always talk about Bulby Soup, so today we're gonna give it a little taste test. Outer break, guys, outer break. Come this I just run across the road. This is chicken foot soup, by the way. No man. Bulby I go on with himself. No man, no me see why everybody always around on Bulby and wine pot always empty. Guys, if you wanna try Bulby before, I do that because I don't know if you tell me say so Bulby soup nice. And I'm not exaggerating. So if you haven't tried him out yet, I'm gonna put his hashtag below or his page below, and you guys can check him out, see what his schedule is like. But I know most of the days he's at Central Plaza. So yeah, don't link up Bulby, guys. The soup bussin', and I'm assuming he has other like types of soup like red peas. So yeah, so I got some soup. I don't know if this can really hold me over for the rest of the day, so I'm thinking of grabbing lunch as well. I'm trying to get the boys some patties because I'm gonna pick them up shortly. So I'm gonna see if I can swing by either Tasties or Juicy and see if I can get some for all of us. So yeah, let's go. Let us go. So that's where Bulby usually is, and he sells out the back of his car, guys. The place did crowded a while ago, but yeah, check him out right at Chic and Trendy in Central Plaza. Guys, I'm in Tasties and I just cashed. My number is 606 and then be like 200 and something, so I think I have a good little wait. There's like 10 people ahead of me, and I have 8 minutes to go and pick up the boys, so I don't know how that will work, but I'm just gonna sit and chill until it's my time. I also got like regular fried chicken lunch and some beef patties. So what can I order? Guys, listen, men will forever be our downfall. Tell me why I just come out at Tasties, right? I get patties for the boys, make food for myself, right? While I was in Tasties waiting, this gentleman was there. I'm not gonna say his name because he has a pretty unique name. Tell me why this man adamant that he wants to get to know me, right? First him asked me my name. You know, I have a little fake alias, so I get everybody already. Like, I don't tell people my real name. If you know me, you know me. If you don't, you don't. So I have a little fake alias. I'm sure everybody has a little name where you give people, and you don't really want to give them a real name. So I told him, alright, thought that was it. Cash, ready, I wait, collect my food. The man come ask for number. So I said, sir, I'm not giving him a number, right? He start give me a fame one. So I said, you persistent bad. People tell me why I'm a cash and come out, because he was literally in front of me, so he cashed before me. Right, but I'm get you before him. Cash come out and in the car. Tell me why are the youth that me see are going in the car. And in the car is a woman and beat me. Me don't understand. Me not understand. Like, you have your woman your penny out there. Well, me not never feel one and feel penny, but still, the audacity to be in there trying to get other women's numbers, right? I'm in the car. Should I go there go tell her, say, yo, mama? Should I go there and say, oh, you still want the number? Bird, but I get put out tonight. But guys, like, men will forever be funny. Like, y'all are something else. Alright? So I'm late to picking up the boys, of course. What's new? What's new? So may I see how fast we can go scoop them, and they'll be happy. I mean, they'll even forget. Hopefully when them see the party, they'll forgive me for being late. But yeah, that's the parade. Guys, I have to come tell a little drama will go down, because why, sir? Why? Couldn't understand if you're single, but I mean, I wasn't interested either way, so I'm not even ask him no question. But see, I was interested. I never know. Suppose it's a girl we're really out there, you know? In the streets, and I look a nice gentleman. Because I've never seen him. He could have gone. So you have to be careful in these streets, I tell you. Gotta be careful in these streets. Krabby Patty. Y'all remember that SpongeBob episode of Krabby Patty? When am I trying to treading across the desert with the Krabby Patty? Guys, wanna focus on it. We are mad people and we are mad beasts. I fear for my life, so let me come off of this. See y'all in a few. Thank you. So guys, we've got the kitties. Javi says he's not a kitty. What are you?
Then he said we were a monster.
Jamie says you're a monster.
You're no. Then what are you? I'm gonna eat your brain.
So how was school, boys?
Your ears and brain.
How was school today? Boys, how was school today?
Good.
What did you do? Did anything fun?
I did color state and I even learned about airplanes.
You learned about airplanes? What you learned about airplanes?
I just saw one pic. I just saw, you know, you don't see airplane on the walls, right?
Yeah, I know.
I just saw one paper airplane, like one rocket, and a hot air balloon.
Oh, yeah, they're learning about modes of transportation.
Yeah, like flying thing, but they didn't have one boat or one car.
Okay, my love, that's lovely.
They only worrying about airplanes.
And we made a model plane and we sent in. So as it stands, we're heading in and we're gonna just chill for the rest of the evening. Oh, we have to take down the decorations. You boys want to help me take down the Christmas tree?
Why?
Because Christmas is over, my lover. We need to start like cleaning up the place and like decorating it with another theme outside of Christmas. What do you think about that?
Fine. But what about the outside? The door will go on the outside.
Well, we're gonna fix up the outside too, don't worry.
I'm on a one code about the doors.
The doors? You like the doors?
Yes, and they have different feet.
Alright, Javi, how about you? How was your day? What are things I'll have for carrying? You guys are gonna have to help me out here.
Well, Mom, I'm holding 4 things so I can't help.
Javier, listen to me, no man.
Listen.
Listen to me, no man. You got to help. Alright, I'm gonna. How many things you have, Javi? We're gonna have to probably make a couple trips. Alright?
Oh, Mommy, I will.
Come, we have more stuff to take. Put all your bag on.
It's not my bag! That is my bag!
There, do not come here.
Now you can put it down, don't carry it.
Good job, I thought you were coming back to help. Listen to me, little man.
I was not planning on that.
I scare me when you should be helping. Thank you, Jamir. Stay there.
Lord, no.
Jamir has, what are these called again? Straw, sweetie. And Javi has Jello. This is so nostalgic because I remember buying straw, sweetie in school. And they were so addictive, they used to say that it's drugs in there. Is it coming out, my love?
No.
Come, let me try help you. You got to twist it. Oh my God, open. Don't make any spit touch it though. That's a trick to it. Can't let spit touch it. Right?
Because it will not.
Yeah, not gonna come out if spit touch it. Okay. So guys, we're back in. Boys, give me a second. We're back in and I'm gonna do a little unboxing of the CB Foods gift basket that I received, and it's just so cute. I'm doing a little snap first before I go ahead and unbox it, because you know I have to have a little nice boomerang. Move these things away.
Mommy, I just took somebody eye and now I'm gonna eat it.
Ice swimming.
I just took somebody eye and then I'm gonna eat it.
Eyes, what's that? I think that's a candy just.
No one eye.
Is it eye? Okay.
And I'm gonna go on my eye. Look. See my eye is right here. See?
Trying to do a boomerang.
Mommy, look, I'm gonna go on my eye.
Ah!
I'm gonna eat that.
So this is how the boomerang turned out. How cute. Alright boys, you wanna see what's in this basket now?
Daddy, look, I just ate somebody's eye.
So the first thing, so I'm gonna take off this cute little bowl. And it's packaged really well, I must say. The first thing inside of it is this bottle of Prosecco. I saw CB Foods are going. Ooh, how lovely. It's the 1928 Prosecco.
And Mommy had the toastery eye and now I'm eating it.
That's so nasty, bro.
It's
So this is the first thing from the gift basket, and I love it. It has these little flowers, so I'm assuming
Mommy,
it's
look
like a
what I'm
special
gonna do to
edition.
Dory eye.
Good boy. So I'm assuming it's like a special edition, so I'm just going to put this up. Let's see what else is in there. Right off the bat, I'm seeing this cute little notebook. Foods at the front, and yeah, it's very cute, very quaint. I can definitely use this to jot down my notes, stuff like that. Next we have some cinnamon sticks. A little ASMR for the cinnamon sticks. This is it. How cute. This jar is just so cute. I can't open it. Well, it's not opening now, but I love that. It will definitely come in handy because you know your girl entering into her cooking era. We also have some pimento, you know, for the rice and peas or corgo, whatever type of meat you're cooking. Pimento comes in handy and it just adds a little special touch. So this will definitely do well in my inventory.
What is in this?
It's pimento seeds, my love. We use it to cook with.
I thought it was dog food.
No, it's not dog food. Do you have a dog? You don't even have a dog. All right, next up we have this set of 4, and these are actually some coasters, some wooden coasters. How cute, so creative, and it says I love CB Foods as well. These are definitely cute. I don't have any coasters on hand because we're just, you know, winging it around here, but I'll definitely be using these as coasters for drinks and stuff like that, especially for the boys, because you know them put them cups everywhere. But this is just so cute and thoughtful. I love it. This is a little close-up of the coasters, and as I said, it's a set of 4. Next up we have this lovely cutting board, or this charcuterie board. I mean, you can use it for whatever purpose. It says good food and good mood, CB Foods. How cute. This is a set, is definitely a whole vibe.
Mommy, that looks like you can make pizza.
Yeah, like a little pizza board, a little charcuterie board. You know, it can definitely come in handy for whatever you want. You know, it's a cheese board. The possibilities are endless with this one, and I just love it. How cute. And the last thing in this gift set is a little cute. How cute. It's a little red tumbler.
It feels good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Jamira feels and say it feel good. So this is a red tumbler, a little mini tumbler, a little party cup. When you go out, you know, you can carry this. If you're on vacation, you just get your liquor in this and drink from it. And it's just so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you again to CB Foods for sending me over this gorgeous gift basket. Like, everything is just so thoughtful and will definitely come in handy like in my day-to-day life. Like, I love this notebook. I'm gonna use this shortly, so I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up the cinnamon sticks, and the pimento can go in here. The board can go here because you know I have a board already. So we have 2 boards. I need a bigger one, like a little I need a bigger cutting board for like my meats and stuff, but we'll get to that eventually. I'm gonna put up my wine. We usually keep some of the compare. So we have bailies and everything there. So just add into the collection. And I'm gonna put my coasters. So find a spot for my coaster. And then the lovely box, like the packaging that it came in, I'm gonna have to find, you know, something to like repurpose this, because this box is just so nice. Maybe I can put it in like the bathroom for like toilet paper and stuff like that. But
Mommy,
the packaging, lovely. 10 pages already. And it was done by the Lux shop, so you can check them out on Instagram. So yeah.
Mommy, every day once it right below once it 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, they're watching at 3 o'clock above it, and then 2 o'clock. Are we watching at 3 o'clock?
Sure, my love. We can watch at 3 today.
Okay, and I've done my.
Well, you guys, I told you already, you don't have to do much. We can go and take down the Christmas tree. So usually the boys come in, them do some reading. So that's why I hear them pissed about reading. But I mean, it's a Friday.
Mommy, I did 10 pages.
Okay, good. It's a Friday, so we're not too hard on them. And soup, it's I got from Bulby. And while the soup is heating up, I am going to freshen up a little bit because I'm still hot and sticky from, you know, coming off the road. And I haven't really taken off my outside clothes yet. But personally speaking, like inside, outside clothes is not really a big deal to me. If I'm being honest, like I would go as far to say I don't really go on my bed and stuff like that with my outside clothes. Like I definitely have to take off my outside clothes like with my bed. But once I'm in the house, I have no problem just lounging around as long as I'm not sitting on anyway in the surface. What's wrong? Okay. Are you guys helping me to take down the tree?
What?
Guys, now look at the tree I took down today now, because I beg them young man if you come help me take down the tree. So I don't even know if the tree is gonna be taken down today. Careful,
I'm trying to scare you.
I couldn't hurt you. That's what I mean. Don't scare me like that. So guys, I'm gonna drink milk of soup. You guys want some of my soup? Yes or no? Well, you guys have patties, so I guess you can have that if that's what you want. I'm gonna have my soup. And it has corn in there. I couldn't get to go down in it the real way because, you know, I was on the road. But it's just so rich and nice, guys. Look at it. So there is chicken foot, we have some dumplings, we have corn, and this is what is left because I was drinking it on my way, but it should be just as good as when I got it fresh. So I'm gonna grab on this and then we'll catch up a little later on.
Mommy, can you put pizza in the microwave? Then don't bring us. And then once we say we want the party, then you bring us because one day you gave a warm party.
So you want warm patty? So do you want it now or later?
Yeah.
Javi, you want patty too? Yes. Alright, get the bags for me, please. Where are they? Alright, so you can put them in the microwave, please, and thank you.
All of them?
No, just 2 for you and your brother.
Do you want one?
No, thank you, my love.
Mommy, the favorite says I like it with water and party.
Like water and patty, that's good. At least it's not juice you're asking for. I love that, my love.
Okay, I'm gonna get 1 cup for water.
So we got beef patties. We got about 5. We give 0 1. The boys can have 1, and if they want more later or tomorrow, usually I buy enough so that whenever, you know, tomorrow comes around and they want more patties. Javi, you want yours heated up, my love? Javi? Yes. Would you like your patty heated up? Yes. Okay. So usually I give it like 1 minute. 1 minute is usually good. It's okay, my love. Take your time and pull them up. You're gonna push me down.
There was a frozen ornament.
Ornaments?